Welcome back. Family offices have sharply increased their bets on alternative investments. CNBC wealth editor Robert Frank is here. They're getting in on the game, what we've been talking about for a while as well, of course.
Certainly getting into. They've been in the game for a while, getting more now. Family offices have, in fact, become the fastest growing market for alternative and private assets. In fact, the number of family offices with exposure to alternative investments has increased by over 500% since 2016. That's according to new data from Preqin. Now, the growth outpaced wealth management firms, sovereign wealth funds, endowments, just about every other category. In fact, there are now over 4,000 family offices with alternative investments. That's up from just 651 back in 2016. So within the alt space, that's private equity, private credit, venture capital, hedge funds, real estate, infrastructure, all that stuff. Family offices are favoring private credit this year. According to BlackRock, 39% of family offices plan to add or make new investments in private credit and private debt this year, with 29% planning to add or make investments in private equity. Private credit is, of course, still a small share of the total family office portfolios at about 5%. And family offices are warning of higher fees and lower returns. You've got hundreds of billions of dollars pouring into these new private credit funds. So family offices are telling me that returns have started to fall. And 72% of family offices say high fees are the biggest challenge to investing in private markets. Now, for more on the family office boom in alts, you can read the story by my colleague Haley Cuccinello in the latest Inside Wealth newsletter. You sign up for that at cnbc.com/insidewealth. That's cnbc.com/insidewealth. New newsletter out tomorrow morning.
I mean, private markets obviously incredibly important, only continue to grow private credit. But also, I don't know how many are getting in on things like OpenAI or Anthropic or any of the companies that have captured investors' imaginations, even though they don't trade publicly.
Yeah, you look at a firm like Iconic, which is leading a funding round for some of these AI companies. Yeah. And basically the only public equities that family offices seem to love right now are AI related, and it's the private ones that they are certainly trying to get in on. It's hard even for family offices when you've got people like SoftBank putting so much money in, but that is certainly one of the areas they're trying to put money. They're also doing a lot of direct investing in private AI companies and AI startups. AI is the #1 investment theme right now for family offices.
No surprise.
Robert, thanks.
Thank you, guys.
Robert Frank this morning.